Account locked on WalletHub App Fix. You try to log into your WalletHub account to check your credit score or compare cards, but instead, you're greeted with an account lock screen. It's frustrating, but here's the truth: WalletHub locks accounts to protect users, not to block them out. Most account locks happen due to multiple failed login attempts, suspicious activity, or device mismatches. It's a built-in security feature to prevent unauthorized access to your personal and financial data. Here's how to fix it. First, head to the WalletHub login page and click on Forgot Password. Enter your registered email address, and you'll receive a password reset link within minutes. Open it, create a new secure password, and then log in again. If you don't receive the email, double-check your spam folder or ensure you're using the correct email you registered with. Using the wrong one is one of the most common reasons users stay locked out longer than needed. If resetting doesn't work, contact WalletHub's support team through their help center. I'll verify your identity by confirming personal details like your birth date or the last 4 digits of your social security number. Once confirmed, they can manually unlock your account, often within a few hours. To prevent future issues, always enable 2-factor authentication and keep your login information safe. Also, try not to log in repeatedly if your password isn't working. It can extend the lock time. Being locked out can feel stressful, but remember, it's WalletHub's way of keeping your sensitive credit data secure. Once you complete these steps, you'll regain full access and be back to managing your financial profile safely and easily.